Hello guys, welcome to JavaScript. Today we will be discussing autoboxing and unboxing in Java. So the autoboxing is automatic conversion that Java compiler makes between the primitive types and their corresponding object wrapper classes. For example, converting int to integer object, double to double object, etc. And unboxing is just the reverse process of autoboxing, that is converting object to primitive types. Let's consider the following code. We are having list of integer objects. In for loop, we are adding primitive int value to this list. Java compiler here does not give any compilation error because it creates integer object from I. So in code, I gets replaced with integer.value of I. So in today's video, we saw what is autoboxing and what is unboxing in Java. Please let us know if you want us to create video on any specific topic. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.